guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And the main topic of our video is how to make money as a crypto newbie. In one video, I'll cover all the tricks, tips and recommendations that I wish for if someone told me that when I was a newbie a few years ago. So the first question people ask is where to start. Cryptocurrency is such a deep and huge science, so most of people just don't know where to start and what to learn first. The easiest way is to start with your education. A lot of people invest in crypto while they have no idea what crypto, blockchain, Bitcoin is, or they don't know enough about terms and information about crypto. In most cases, people just losing their own money and accusing that crypto is a scam. So for that, I prepared for you a list of topics you should learn in the right sequence. By the way, guys, I have my own course for beginners on how to invest money in cryptocurrency, but it's just available in Russian language. It's unfortunately not available in English, but if you speak Russian language, go ahead and check my website with my course, which I created specially for beginners, and it will be the best investment of your life. Not just investment in crypto after, but investment in your own knowledge before. All these topics from my video are in my course, so don't hesitate and contact me about it and learn information I'm given in my course. So let's go to the list of topics, guys. We will divide our education for theory and practice. It's really important to learn theory first and then practice, because how are you going to create your crypto wallet without knowing what crypto wallet is, or how are you going to do different transactions not knowing about different transactions and what transactions, blockchain, blocks, crypto in general is. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So the first topic you ever learn is what cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and blockchain is. This is the main fundament of crypto knowledge. The second topic is all crypto terms you should know, because how you're going to invest in crypto without knowing all terms. There are a lot of terms. The third lesson will be financial literacy or basic investment rules. You should learn basic investment rules before you are investing into crypto for sure. So go ahead and find this information in Google or YouTube. It's really easy to find. After that, you should learn about traders or investors. So you should definitely know the difference between passive investor or trader. So there you will find information about it. Next topic after that, you should learn what altcoins is. And you should understand the difference of altcoins and tokens. So go ahead and check this information, what altcoins are and what tokens are, and learn about fundamental analysis. It's really important. In the topic of altcoins, you should learn about fundamental analysis because it's essential part of altcoins. The next topic you should learn is about website. Which website you should use for your crypto investment, for your trading and stuff. All crypto websites. So learn this information before you go ahead. There's also one more important topic to know what is FOMO and what is FOD. The next topic will be how to sell your crypto and how to lock up your profits. Because after investing in crypto, eventually you should lock up your profit, and we will be talking about it. And I already had video about how to lock up your profit, how to sell your crypto and investment strategy. About investment strategies is separate topic. It's really huge topic you should learn, so don't forget to learn about investment strategies. Next topic you should learn is common mistakes in crypto and why people losing their money. So you will have at least 10 of examples why people losing their money, what they do and what common mistakes they do. So it's really important topic, guys. The next topic you should learn in crypto is about scam. You should differentiate the scams. You should understand more how different people can scam you in crypto. There are a lot of scams, so don't be lazy. Go ahead and watch YouTube videos or read about it in Google in different articles how people get scammed in crypto. So now we're coming closer to the middle, and next topics will be the most important topics you should know. So learn about stable coins. Then you should learn about what is meme coins. Then you should learn about what is metaverse and play to earn or gaming coins. Also, next topic will be huge category in crypto, which is NFTs. So don't forget to learn about NFTs. Also, for sure you should know about IDO, pre-sales, allocations, or how to make extra money on your investments with IDOs. Also, next topic you should learn what is DeFi. DeFi is also a huge category in crypto, so it's really important topic to know. Next thing you should learn is about crypto terms on the market. For example, on coin market cap, you should know about what is market cap, what is 24 volume trading, what is maximum total supply, and all these terms. So obviously you should just learn about coin market cap, how to use it, and how to read information about crypto, how to do your fundamental analysis about altcoins, tokens, and cryptos. Even have this video on my YouTube channel about coin market cap, so go ahead and check this video up here. So yeah, definitely you should learn about these indicators. The next topic you should consider to learn is trading and technical analysis. So if you're a trader, you should know about technical analysis, and believe me, it's a huge topic. I don't think it's even one course or one lesson. You should dive deep into this topic, because if you're choosing to be trader, you should learn more about technical analysis. So next huge topic in crypto is about passive income. How to make your passive income monthly in crypto. For example, we have lending, we have farming, we have staking, and other different ways how to make passive income. So yeah, you should learn it definitely. If you're a passive investor and you don't want to trade your cryptocurrency, you just want to hold, there are so many ways how to make it easier to earn more money. Next topic you should understand is about mood of the market, how it can affect price of cryptocurrency. So you should understand how market price changes, why it changes, and different factors which can affect this category. The next topic you should learn is tools and methods of trading. Also, don't forget to learn about exchange or wallets and what the difference between exchange, where you have your account and wallet on exchange, or different wallets like hot wallets or cold wallets, and what the difference, what best to have exchange with wallets or cold wallet or hot wallet. So yeah, it's really important topic to know. Next thing you should learn what is DAO. So go ahead and watch videos about DAO. You will understand it. It's really easy, but don't forget to learn this topic because it's important to know. And maybe the last topic you need as a beginner, what is Web3. And then after we learned all this theory, you can go ahead and start with the practice. So I'll tell you a list of things you should do or you should know for starting your crypto investments. So first of all, you should select and create your wallet. It's really easy, so you can watch different tutorials on YouTube how to create your wallet, especially MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. So it will be the first thing you will do on practice. The next thing is how to add smart chain to MetaMask wallet. When you choose a MetaMask, you should know that there are not smart chains. So this smart chain you should add to have more actions with your wallet. And also we are adding this topic to the theories. So this topic we are considering to learn as well as a theory. So don't forget to learn about different chains in wallets. For example, Ethereum chain or smart chain. The next topic you should understand how to buy crypto with your fiat currency. For example, on Binance. The next topic is how to take your profit and selling your crypto. Again, we're talking about practice right now, so go ahead and check tutorials. For sure, there are a lot of tutorials how to lock up your profit or sell crypto. Next topic you should know is how to use DEX, decentralized exchange. How to use, for example, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, how to swap your token. So you already understood how to buy your crypto with fiat, how to lock up your profit, and now you just You don't need to lock up your profit, you don't need to sell your crypto. You want to swap, for example, one coin to another coin, Binance coin to Bitcoin, or Ethereum to Solana. So learn about it. The next topic you should know is how to withdraw your money to your card or how to get cash. So go ahead and check this topic out. Of course, go ahead and check tutorials about CoinMarketCap, why do you need CoinMarketCap, and how to create your portfolio on CoinMarketCap. By the way, I already have this video, so check this video out. The next tutorial you should watch is how to earn passively on crypto. So go ahead and check my video about 11 passive incomes or how to earn $300 per month. Just a little reminder, I have most of all these videos on my YouTube channel, so if you will go and check my channel out, you will find a lot of videos you should know as a newbie. After you understood about passive income, go ahead and check NFT projects, NFT platform, NFT tricks. So I also have these videos, so go ahead and check videos about NFTs. I have videos about OpenSea, which is NFTs on Ethereum blockchain, and I also have separate video about NFTs on Solana blockchain. Also, important topic and important tutorial you should watch is how to transfer your crypto from Binance to MetaMask wallet. So don't forget to consider this tutorial before you're stepping into crypto, because for sure you have to know this information. After that, you should know overview of the network. So as I said before, we have, for example, smart chain, and we should add this smart chain to MetaMask manually. So you should know about different networks on MetaMask, for example, or another wallet as Ethereum, ERC20, TRC20, BNB, and different networks you should know. After that, please learn about Etherscan or BSCScan. This is website where you track your transactions. So it's really important website to understand. So in order to understand this website, go ahead and watch tutorials about it. Then of course watch videos about how to trade on Binance. For sure you will find a lot of information about it. Also, don't forget about TradingView. If you're a trader, you should know about this website, so you should know about different indicators there. So yeah, just go ahead and watch these tutorials on YouTube or Google about it. So as we understood already, cryptocurrency is a huge and deep science. So you should learn about each topic separately. Take one day for each topic. For example, take one day to learn about NFTs, take another day to learn about DeFi and understand everything. So day by day you will know more about cryptocurrency, so you will be more confident in what you're doing, and you will be more confident about not losing your money. And eventually you will know about all scams, all crypto rules and stuff, so it will be really easier for you. So as I said before, you can learn this information absolutely for free. You don't have to buy my course or another courses. I told you list of topics you should learn. It's like 40 topics I already told you about. So all this information you can find for free either on YouTube channel, either or on Google and articles. So it's really easy to learn crypto even for free. So guys, remember, everything starts from education and your knowledge. You can't just go into crypto without knowing anything about crypto. So on my channel you can learn a little bit about it. If you speak Russian language, go ahead and check my course, or just go on YouTube or Google and learn this information for free. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.